Let's prepare chicken. Okay, we are going to fry this. Trust me. Oh my goodness, it was so delicious. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. We share delicious healthy meals here or recipes here. Okay, so please do not make it the last time of visiting. Subscribe or follow for more videos. Free, they don't take money, okay, if you do so without wasting much of your time, we will get to today's video. I have with me here my chicken drums. Okay, so in all we are going to fry 250 pieces, but I don't want to stress my sink, so we are doing it bit by bit. Okay, so on your screen you have 150. Then when I'm done, I will wash the other ones as well. I'll just go ahead and then add my lemon juice to the chicken drums, and then we can proceed. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for your time. I have suffered today before getting this video. If I save it, I get it some way, it becomes very pale and white, like very white. Okay, I don't know why, but I realized that it's because I don't have enough space. So in case it happens to you, what you will do is that you save the video, maybe piece, maybe if you are transferring it from another phone, you transfer it maybe piece to your phone that you use for the editing. Okay, this is just by the way to share with my content creators. Now after that, I will just remove that yellowish skin and then remove the feathers. Sometimes you will see some feathers there, you just go ahead and then remove it. Okay, yeah, so I believe maybe because I still don't have enough space, that is why the video quality is not that beautiful, because it was very, very beautiful. Okay, so pardon me. Now I'll remove this again, and then we are going to wash the chicken again. As for chicken, it has that smell, so you have to wash it very well. We are just going to massage the chicken with lemon juice again. So that is what I've added. I'm just going to wash it very well again. This is the 6th time I'm washing the chicken. Okay, yes, you need to wash it very well so that it will remove all those smell from the chicken. Now after this, I'll share with you what next. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Kindly follow us for more videos. For short videos, follow us on all social media platforms, including shorts on YouTube. Okay, we share videos that are a minute duration or less than a minute, and those recipes are very detailed. So I have onion here, I have my garlic as well, I have rosemary, bay leaves, and I'll be blending all these ingredients. Okay, that is ginger as well. Just blend everything, and when we are done blending, I will proceed with you. If you've watched me till this point, thank you so much. Can you like the video for me? I'll be very grateful. Okay, please like the video for me. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always spending some time with me. I don't take it for granted. Now I am done cleaning everything and I'm done blending my ingredients. I've added it to the chicken, and trust me, I just don't want to, I want to finish on time. Okay, I don't want to say I don't want to say I don't want to waste my time, because you're also spending some time with me. Yeah, so I wanted to finish on time so that when the person is coming for whatever thing I'm doing, he or she will get it the time that he told me he wanted it. Okay, so I have prepared some of the chicken already, and I'm doing this bit by bit. So this is I think the 6th batch that I am preparing. Okay, so when you put it on fire, you just cover it, allow it to cook. You give it a stir, make sure the one on top goes under so that each can cook very well, each can marinate very well, and then we can proceed. That is what I am doing right now. I believe you understand. With this chicken, it was very hard, so we are going to cook it very well. You don't have to overcook it as well, okay, because we will be frying it. That one is also another method of cooking, so you just don't have to overcook it, but make sure you cook it very well so that they can enjoy it. And then come next time, if you watching me, you are going to sell this, okay, or if you're preparing it for yourself, make sure you cook it very well. So after some few minutes, like 20 minutes, this is how it looks, and the chicken looks so good, well cooked, and I think it is perfect for us, okay. Yes, trust me, this was very nice, very delicious according to them. And trust me, I always feel proud of myself when I prepare chicken, because I don't taste it. I have never eaten chicken before, but I prepare, trust me, I prepare it to the extent that you get that perfect seasoning, perfect salt as well. And I'm so proud of myself. Now I'm just going to cover it again for maybe some few minutes, like 5 minutes, and then we continue, okay. The fire is not very high under it too, yes. So now this is okay. I'm going to pour this in my strainer, strain it very well, and then we start frying. As I talk to you, my oil is on fire right now. It's hot. I'll just go ahead and then start frying my chicken. That is so simple, okay, very, very simple. My returning subscriber, thank you so much once again that you always spend some time with me. Please don't forget to like this video, share to others, leave me your comments in the comment section, and I will be very grateful. Now, as you can see, the oil is not very hot, and it is not low as well, okay. I mean, the fire is not low as well, so it should be in between so that you won't get burnt chicken. You can get that perfect chicken you are looking for. So should you are frying your chicken as you saw earlier and you are wearing your gloves, you make sure it does not enter the oil, okay. That is not good. So to be at the safer side, you can use what I'm using to flip them, okay, what I'm holding right now. Just fetch your chicken, you pour it in the oil, or you drop it in the oil, okay. That would be perfect. Or just remove the gloves and then use your bare hand, very clean nails, and then you are good to go. But I was very careful, it did not touch the oil, okay. Now it is ready. When you see that the other side is well fried, you just flip it to the other side, and when that part is also well done, you just remove it from the oil. You can see some chicken thigh in there. Yes, I prepared chicken thigh that day as well, and I decided to fry that one too the same time. Look at that, so beautiful. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.